Hi, I'm Patrick. This specific video is basically to help you prepare for the Quant section if you're starting from February 22. So if you're looking at target as CAT 22 and if you're starting from February 22, this is how you could go about preparing. So first step is to complete a syllabus. Try to complete a first round of syllabus from February to May, 4 months time. Okay. Then 1 month revision June and the remaining time practice and mocks. So July to November you'll focus on practicing and mocks. Practicing application based questions plus mocks. How do you go about it? So when you look at the first round, okay, you have approximately 120 days, 4 months, February to May, 120 days, approximately 17 weeks. Which means if I assume that you're preparing for 6 days and take a 1 day break, you still have 102 days to prepare. Broadly speaking, in these 120 days, you have 102 days to prepare. Okay, I would recommend around 1 to 2 hours of a day to prepare for Quant. More if you have time, more if you have week in Quant. But yeah, minimum 1 hour of day, 1 to 2 hours of day is what is required as far as Quant section is concerned. How much more you prepare will depend upon whether it's a weak area or whether you have time to prepare for the exam. So broadly speaking up, 102 days can be broken up into these topics. So you have number system, averages, percentage. I've given a number of days per topic. For example, if I say number system, you have 6 days to prepare for the topic. Average is 5 days. I mean, this is a tentative preparation. Normally what you will do is any topic you're weak at, you can give more time. Any topic you're comfortable with, you can give less time. You can accordingly modify the time that is required. I've just given, for example, time squared distance is a very long and broad topic. So 8 days is what I've given because of that. Same equation also is lengthy because there are a lot of subtopics in equation and a lot of technicalities involved. So more days to prepare. Whereas for some other topic like percentage and profit and loss, I believe you will be comfortable with it. So maybe you can spend less days. So you can decide the number of days based on your comfort level. As I said, more time for areas you're not comfortable, less time for areas you're comfortable. How to prepare? So when you're looking at, let's say I'm looking at 4 days or 5 days for a topic, try solving a few sums on your own first. Okay, see if you can solve just to get a hang of it without going to a theory. It just helps you to think differently. When you're not burdened with the idea of theory, it just makes you think and maybe help you understand the questions better. Then maybe you can go to theory after solving a few questions or trying to solve a few questions. Go to theory, understand the theory, and then come back and solve the sums. Okay. Try to focus on solving the basic sums. You need not go to tougher sums. If you find Quant a little difficult, focus on getting the fundamentals right, solving the basic sums, and trying to go. So in this 4 days time, whatever day time that you allocated, try to solve as much as possible. And moment those days are over, go to next topic. Don't try to extend the number of days per topic because what will happen is you will not have enough time for other topics. Also, it makes sense to, you can come back to it later when you're doing revision. So if you feel a topic you're not comfortable with, maybe you can come back when you're doing revision. But at that point of time, don't extend the days. Also ensure that you practice calculation because calculation is important to build up speed over a period of time. So practice calculations every day, 10 to 15 minutes itself, but do calculate calculations. Right? I hope this helps. So this was a video for Quant. I'll have a similar video for DILR and verbal. That should help you prepare. Thank you.